Whisper theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion. Kogon obujikana repulsion. So mini shape by geometry. Korasung Simon. The shape determined by a bond pair of electrons. The geometry is determined by the bond pair and the lone pair of the electrons. Jefferson structure kayane afrosung naiman jese hydro water H2O. H2O shape mini korang ke shape mini band klai tanke bond pair वैसे mini नहीं जागो. Geometry इनका tetrahedral तांके करो bond pair वो count खायो lone pair वो count खायो. Electrons pair arrange themselves in such a way that the repulsions between them is minimum. The bond angle bura klein ke jeta minimum repulsion or bond angle klein. So lone pair of the electrons also contribute in determining the shape of the molecules. Yani lone pair na decide खाने बनी bond pair बसंग नाई mini bond angle बसंग नाई. ठीक है तांके lone pair पे lone pair के करो सनुका repulsion is considered to be strongest. Lone pair पे lone pair के strongest. Next inke lone pair by bond pair ke repulsion second. Third inke nini bond pair which is the weakest repulsion. Around any angle form hona bond angle. sp hybridizations two electrons around the central atoms. Bonded pair lone pair 2011 linear in any geometry. The shape one in linear and linear. Bonded bond angle 180 degree. sp2 3 valence 3 central atoms electrons. 302112 diagonal planars, streak, band, and linear. sp3 4 electron groups. 40312213 tetrahedral. The tetrahedral trigonal planars, band, linear. 109.5 degree is a bond angle. Again, sp3d 5 electrons in around the central atoms. 50413223 band trigonal planar. Again, sp3d2 6 electron groups around this. And 605142 that is octahedral, so 90 degree. Whisper theory, geometry of some molecules having no lone pair of electron. So koro carbon dioxide naka carbon dioxide koros molecules naka mini singtam khaina pila sing Lewis structures sing khaina nanai Lewis structure ni pore. So mini molecular geometry, mini number of electrons, mini angles singabano naina. So koros sing pila jadi narok Lewis structures my can thangi nai mana already clarizak Lewis structure. So koro samanka CO2 ni koro double bond and I guess koros na khanukha the number of electrons korosang number of electron pairs so duita ठीक है ordinary arrangement of the electrons nini angle busangi tonke 180 degree yani linear. So molecular geometry is linear. Any molecular geometry mutanada it's linear of therefore any 180 degree okay linear in molecular geometry. Okay. The number of pair of electrons korang any are duita. So koro O by C kaisha te kaisha C by O kaisha. So their number of pairs electrons are 2 number of pair electrons and your molecular geometry is linear. Molecular geometry is linear. Okay, so more chapters so chemical bonding on hybridizations kam ke porna de ang some of the topics or no side one importance. Okay, examples nini kono 9th anke tabu linear tam fine ke nini carbon dioxide, barium bromide nini tebo sang example tabu 9 so carbon dioxide sang koro nai pekya tabu ke sang next to BCl3 take aisa now that is BCl3. Okay, so BCl3 of bini haina hai sang Lewis structures khaina Lewis structures jeni sabse metal atoms kom bonon sang central atom now. So nini structures so there are chlorine there are 3 atoms so bono haike khairwana so pulang single bond row haida sang Lewis structure na khaike saimana na single bond. So je bini angles form that is 120 degree. ठीक है so 120 degree करो सनी bond angle नंगो. Okay, so करो बस नोरो संग कागे ताप संजा कागे number of pair electrons बसंगी तो there are 3 number of pairs of electrons. So molecular geometry के मत trigonal planar बना के संगो मो structure नो कागे नो बुंग सीमा कनो geometry हो that is trigonal planar. or degree inke 120 degree, and there are three number of electron pairs, three numbers of electron pairs. So examples: BF3, BCl3. So many examples. So they have BH3, boron hydride. So these are the examples of this number of pairs, 3 electrons. Okay? Number of electron pairs, there are 3. So now aste ke silang they practice खाएंगे ना लोग मांग लग दो अब नहीं physics संगतन chemistry संगतन practice खाना ना नहीं ताम के खाएंगे नो निजत तो जे नो लोग सिlang मनी पोगी ताम बने तब उनके हाई हाई तक कैसे ना आपको that is CH4 यानी methane CH4 that is methane. So central atom in C, there are 4 hydrogen, 1 2 3 4. This is neighboring atom. So 4 atoms karo bagi rekha. So single bond thapai rekha. Tabuk joton Simon andla na hydrogens have duplets. The duplets form kayo carbon tani ne octet na. So in structures again so O structure no suntam meaning molecular geometry tamunai. So the number of electron pairs Koitanuk, so 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 number of electron pairs. Okay? Number of electrons 4, and this molecular geometry name is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Okay? Tetrahedral. The tetrahedrals. So bonka any molecular geometry. So coming to this example, what are the examples? Methane, ammonium ion, then in is silicon chloride. Okay? There is silicon chloride, SiCl4. So these are the examples of number of electron je chatta ni kara sanuka the molecular geometry name banuka. And tab unke te kaisa example na PCl5 yani phosphorus chloride. So kara pasta in atoms. So bana sang bagana in central atom to P. Cl. So hake kaisa yang read ne. The bond pair one single bond. Tabini sung meaning number of electron pairs, there are 5 number of electron pairs. Molecular geometry in mini, that is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal pyramidal. Like pyramid, the pyramid. So when next classes and next topic is having one or more lone pair na sung nine sung client the next topic हो ठीक है. So sung करण lone pair सारा से करो खाता हूँ. So example के मैंने PCl 5 SB F5, that is antimony fluoride, age AF A5 F5. So take as a last sung now nine karo so ni SF6, that is sulfur fluoride SF6. Many high tero atom soita central atom is S. octahedral mo shape unai puilan side ka so molecular geometry is octahedral. Okay, so many structures kaina ganai so more on kainan bagi ning just when Lewis structures kange mana na do ठीक है अब ना so na di SF6. So many molecular geometry is octahedral and molecular and the number of electron pairs are 6. Numbers of molecular pairs quite 1 2 3 4 5 6, so there are 6 number of electron pairs. So number of electron pairs equal to 6. So we'll take examples as well. Some kind of example now no? So that is SF6, TEF6, the SEF6, tellurium fluoride, selenium fluoride. Okay, so these are the examples. So Monk having no lone pair of electrons. Okay, having no lone pair of the electrons.